How to use Canva AI image generator. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with using Canva's AI image generator. Now, I'm not just talking about using Magic Media to generate images. We're talking about all of the different AI integrated tools within Canva. So make sure to get started with Canva and you can get a free trial of Canva Pro. So make sure to get that, and then you're going to be able to use all of these features to their fullest extent. So over here, I've just opened up a blank canvas, and the first thing we're going to explore is Canva's most basic AI image tool, which is their Magic Media tool. To access this, simply open up a blank canvas and then click on apps on the bottom left. Once you do that, you're going to search for Magic Media, and this has to be one of Canva's oldest tools. So we're going to search for Magic Media over here. Once we do that, we will see Magic Media, and you can just describe the type of image you would like to create. So I'm just going to go into Inspire Me, surrealist background, ultra detailed, colorful, with a girl walking, and then I'm just going to type that prompt in. Now Canva's AI tool known as Magic Media will generate our image for us. So let's just wait. And just like that, we have a couple of different variations, and we can generate this again as well. So we can open this up, and just like that, we have 4 different variants. Now moving on, let's go into a secondary tool of Canva's AI tools. Now, this is going to be more so related to whiteboard animations, and this is called Speed Painter. For this, simply click on Apps again on the left and search for Speed Painter. Once you search for Speed Painter, you're going to see this application. Click on this application and then click on Open. Once you click on Open, this will open up the Speed Painter application, and you're going to choose your original image. So whatever image you want to use, and you want to make it look like a speed painted image. I'm going to select any image that I have. I can just choose this one, and then I'm going to choose the sketch duration if I want to fill with color, and the color fill duration. And after that, I'm going to click on Generate Video, and this will generate a video of my image, where it's going to appear as though the image is being drawn directly on. And this can be great, especially for whiteboard animation videos and people that are looking to make their images a bit more stunning. Let's wait for a prompt to be completed. So we're just going to wait for the video, and this can take a while, so you can close the app and see the result later on. It doesn't matter, you don't have to keep this open, but I'm just gonna keep it open so we can view it as soon as it's ready. So right over here, our 20-second video has been generated, and this is what it looks like. First, the sketch of our image is being generated, and after that, we would have colors. Now, in this image, because this is a real image, there aren't a lot of color distinctions. So it's better to use an animated image if you want a really nice whiteboard animation. Now let's move on over into our next AI tool. Now this is going to be our image to video converter. To access this AI tool, again, you're going to be going into the AI powered tab under apps. So once you click on apps on the bottom, you will click on AI powered. Now, once you click on AI powered, you will see several different applications, and you're going to type in image animate. That's the one you want to use. And once you search for image animate, you're going to see this application here, and you're just going to click on open. Once you click on open, you're going to click on choose file, and you can choose any image that you want. So I'm going to be choosing this one, and you're going to choose how you want your video to be animated. You can even click on the Inspire Me tab to choose how a couple of different ideas on how your image can be animated. You can choose the motion type, whether it's parallax or AI, and which AI tool you would want to use. I'm gonna go with auto. A woman with long black hair and a pink lipstick, and a pink long black hair applying lipstick. And then I am going to go into the video settings. The motion is going to be, let's say, for 4 seconds and only 1 loop, and I'm going to click on sign in to generate, and I'm going to click on continue, and you are going to have to create an account on Vimverse to be able to use this AI tool. And I'm just going to do that. It only takes a couple of seconds. You can sign up with your email address or your Google account. Once you do that, you're just going to click on sign in, and you will be allotted some free credits. And then after that, you can use however many credits you want on image generation. So I'm just going to wait for my authorization to be completed. And this is going to be easier if you already have created your Remverse account, because these types of image to video generations can take a pretty long time as well. So in the meanwhile, let's move on towards our next tool, which is the AI face manipulator. So again, you're going to go into your apps menu and then you're going to search for Dream Face. I'm going to go into apps and I'm going to search for Dream Face. Once I search for Dream Face over here, I have this one called Dream Face, where you can create personalized faces that reflect your vision. You're going to click on open. Once you click on open, choose a file of your face. We're going to go with this one. And let's say I want pink lips and I want to go with blonde hair. And I'm going to click on generate and it's going to generate the image. And it's better to describe this in a bit more detail or just describe the desired features a bit better. Additionally, if you have an image with really bad quality where the face really cannot be distinguished, it can be really hard for the Dream Face tool to recognize the face, which makes it difficult for it to alter it. So make sure that the face is clearly visible within this AI tool. You even have a 3D AI art generator, and for this, you're just going to search for voxel art within the apps. Within your AI apps, you're just going to search for voxel. And once you do that, you have Voxel Lab. Click on open and you can create amazing 3D art using AI. So you're just going to wait and then click on, I'm just going to go with this example, and then it's going to generate our image, and it's going to be a 3D image, which is going to be really interesting to look at. And this can be really helpful in creating branding images wherever you're trying to stand out and make your static images appear a bit more interesting. Using Voxel Lab can be a great tool to do so. So you guys can see a whimsical tree house and it looks so pretty. Like, this is so amazing. And you can generate anything you want. You can even describe product images and stock images for your website, for your Instagram content and more. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to use Canva's AI image generating tools. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below and I will make future videos according to those. Also leave those in the comment box down below and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.